how it's using information that you're giving it across a context length, basically. So yeah, Gemini's been really good for that. But now I am coding and I am creating marketing material. So, this is where ChatGPT really becomes like useful and becomes like, amazing, honestly. O3 especially, it's hard to explain. It's like, it's what Sam Altman said in a couple of his interviews, which is that, it's like having a co-worker, that you can ask to go do things for you. You may have to give them some guidance, you may have to support them, you may have to correct them, you may have to like teach them exactly what you need them to do, but effectively, the task that you would have had to sit down yourself and do, or paid someone to do for you, this co-worker can get a really good chunk of the way there by itself. And especially with this new 4.0 image generation, oh my goodness, like I can't describe to you how efficient, how man, you know what, I'll just share some of the content that I generate, because the one thing that I found is I get a little bit overwhelmed with what I want to share, right? Because I'm using these models all the time, not just within ChatGPT or AI Playground or whatever, but also in the products at Tortoise Path, right? So we work with a lot of these models. We try to build experiences for our users to help them get the information that they're looking for, learn more about places, build plans, etc. Using models that we feed through from these large AI companies. So we do a lot of fine-tuning. We take the information that we're getting, we use it to improve the model, etc. So I'm constantly, when I say I'm constantly working with AI, and honestly the results have been spectacular, and I really do believe what OpenAI was saying last year, which is that this year we'll have AGI. I really believe it, honestly. Agents have been really useful for me. I have autonomous agents that go out and do work for me. Manus I recently started using, and the first prompt I gave it, I knew exactly what the future is going to be crazy, honestly, guys. And over the last couple of months, I've been doing some some work with some of these companies that do model interpretability. So working with the likes of OpenAI and XAI, and I don't think Google, I've worked on the Google project yet. I think they're doing everything internally. But yeah, and really and truly, when you see behind the scenes of the amount of effort